Hi everyone. Grade 2 students sometimes they need to practice the clock or the time. So in this case I'm going to show you an activity that you can use a tool online. So the student they don't have to download anything on their computer. All they have to do is to type GeoGebra and they click enter and they click on the first link. They will see it, and this it will give them the option to open an application online called GeoGebra. But actually they don't need the application. All they need is the tools of the application. So they need to go to Material, and here there is a search button. Actually, if you can see, there is 910,634 tools that they can use. However, if they need to go directly to the clock, so they can type clock, enter, and from here they can see many applets, many activities that they can choose from, and they can practice how they learn the time. And even for the teacher, you can use any of these applets. So let's say I'm going to use this applet to show the time for my students. In this applet you will see 3 places for check mark here. If you uncheck clock face, it gonna the clock will disappear. You can click again to make it back. There is another thing that if you click on the digital clock, it's gonna show you the time, which is 12 and also 12 o'clock. So you can test their knowledge by hiding these two, and you can start to change the time. To change the time, if you go a little bit down, you will see set the clock. There is plus and minus. If you click on the plus, it's going to increase by 1 minute, and the minus or the negative is decrease by the 1 minute. You can go and choose whatever you like, and let's say I'm doing something like that and I did a mistake. I want actually to go to let's say 3:45, so I can go back and adjust the 3:45. So if we click on digital clock, student they will predict that it's 3:45 exactly, and they can see more about the time. It's 3:45, and actually you can zoom in and zoom out the clock, as you can see, by playing with the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. And you can change again the time to anything after that. If you want to adjust something, you can adjust it with a plus and minus, and let's say this is what you have as a digital clock, and this is the time. Again, you can hide everything, and after that you change the time again, and you ask them, let's say you want to adjust it, and ask them about the time. It's 5 minutes past 8 or 8:05. So as you can see, there is many activities with this way, many tools that you can use it with GeoGebra. The students are free to choose from. All they need is the internet. They don't need to download anything. So I hope these tools can help you in class for grade 2 teachers and students. Thank you.